Today we're going to be doing a nice little workout, call it a warm-up. It's just going to be, a conglomeration of different things. So have a couple of weights nearby. You can do 3-pounders, 5-pounders, whatever suits your needs. If you don't want to use them, that's fine too. But let's get started right now and just try to warm our bodies up and do some really nice little exercises to keep us going for the day and burn some calories. You ready? Okay, and here we go. Bring your arms up. And in and out, up, in, out, up, and we're going to do some squats. Legs facing forward, and down and up. You can put your hands on your knees if you like. Hang in there. You can do this. I know you can. Keep going. Feel it in your thighs. Very good. Now we're going to do some tummy exercises. You ready? Standing ab exercises. And we are going to lift. Feel your belly button pressing in, tensing whenever you do this. Make sure you're breathing deeply. Woo. Burning those calories. Bring your belly button in. Wonderful. Now we're going to do a little twist. Keep going. Twisting. Woo. Pulling that tummy in. Squeezing it every time. 2 more. Good job. Deep breath in. Let it out. Deep breath in. And let it out. Grab your weights. Here we go. All right. Now we're going to be working our deltoids, our inner arms, and we're going to go forward and then out. Good job. Now bring it up. Bring your weights up over your head together, or you can just bring one up. Keep your arms stationary. And this is great for those triceps. Get rid of those wing flaps, bat wings, whatever you want to call them. You're doing a good job. You're keeping up. Good for you. Just showing up and doing this is so important. Breathing in, breathing out. You're going to get muscle, tighten those triceps. And now, take it with your end. And we're going to do some biceps. Up. 2 more. And breathe in. Take a little break. Let it out. Now we're going to go forward, bend over just a little bit. More triceps. Here we go. Are you ready? Bring it back and in. Ooh, yeah. That's a good one. One of my favorites at the gym is the tricep pull down. I absolutely love it. And we're going to pulse 2, 3, 4. Pulse 2, 3, 4. And in and out. Pulse. Keep going. You feel that? I feel it. Pulse 2, 3, 4. One more time. Don't bounce it, just keep it on. There you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. Oh, right. That was a good one. Okay, put your weights down. And we are going to actually do some grand pliés and squats to the side. There we go. Good for your inner thighs, your outer thighs. And you're going to come up, releve. Good. Come up, releve. If you need a chair, go ahead and do it. Up and releve. And go to the side. A little skip. Your arms forward. Wonderful, you're keeping up. Great job. Up. To the side. Last one. Oh, we're going to pick up our weights one last time. And you want to get rid of those, well, it's a muffin top. Let's just be serious, okay? Gonna get rid of it. This is one of the things you can do. It's very helpful. Doris, unless you can pick up some weights, stay out of my video. Oh, good. And come forward, twist, nice little twist. Do you feel it? Exhale. To the side. And last time forward with a nice little twist. You can do this without the weights if you like, but it's so much more effective when you're doing it to the sides with your weights. Twisting. And good times. Thank you so much. You did it. Congratulate yourself. You're here. And we're going to pas de bourrée, curtsy, pas de bourrée, curtsy. And thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.